Hello everybody, I'm Andrew Lowe and I'm head of Straumann's principal manufacturing facility in Villeret, Switzerland. I'm an engineer with 25 years of experience in medical device production. Villeret is situated in northern Switzerland, an area rich in technical heritage. It was in the village of Villeret in 1735 that the first ever watch brand was registered. This area remains today the home of the most prestigious watch companies in the world, and many of our employees have worked for those companies at some time in their careers. They have learned the meaning of mastering technical competence. This is truly a region of extraordinary savoir-faire. Innovation, precision and quality run deep in the DNA of people who live and work in this part of Switzerland. Northern Switzerland is also a heartland for medical technology. Some of the largest medical device and pharmaceutical companies in the world have made northern Switzerland a major European production centre. This combination of exceptional technical competence combined with knowledge of what it means to make implantable products that conform to stringent medical device regulations means that Villeret really is the ideal location to make the finest parts in the world for implant dentistry. Today it will be my pleasure to give you a virtual tour of Straumann's production site in Villeret. We will follow the journey of an implant as it makes its way from raw material to packaged finished product. This is a 30-day intensive process where attention to detail and making no compromise on quality are trademarks of the way we work. Enjoy the video. Villeret, located between Geneva and Basel in northern Switzerland, is Straumann's principal production site for dental implants, abutments, planning aids, cutting tools and instruments. The site was opened in 2000 and covers an impressive 14,000 square metres. The plant is a fully equipped medical device manufacturing facility comprising more than 250 machines, which are producing in excess of 7 million parts every year. Production begins with rigorous quality control of every incoming raw material. No material will be allowed into production until it has passed a predefined program of tests and analysis. Here you can see the bars of rock solid being engraved before going into production. Rock solid is Straumann's unique implant material and is a titanium zirconium alloy which gives outstanding long-term performance and potentially allows placement of smaller implants for a less invasive treatment. Not only is every bar engraved, but every implant is engraved also on the inside. This allows complete traceability for more than 20 years of every process parameter which the implant undergoes in its 30-day journey through production. The first stage of production is to machine the implant geometry from the bars of raw material. Manufacturing tolerances are sometimes just a few microns to guarantee precision of fit when loading implants with Straumann original abutments. Machines are carefully set by highly trained operators. No production batch can start until a quality check is performed. Preparation of machines is a complex process of software setup and fine tool adjustment, and even our skilled operators can pass more than 10 hours to perfect the setup for one production lot. During the machining process, operators and inspectors are constantly measuring parts and evaluating surface finishes in order to keep their machines under precise control. In-process measurement protocols are defined using statistical methodologies to ensure that parts remain inside their tolerance specifications all the way through the entire production lot. Straumann Villeret uses conventional cutting machines, but also some unique technologies in the world. Exploiting our exceptional savoir-faire, Straumann engineers have partnered with local machine tool experts to construct some of the most extraordinarily precise and efficient machines in the world, using completely innovative processes. Operator measurements are carried out during the machining process to ensure production machines stay in control. But nothing is left to chance. Statistical sampling during machining gives over 99.5% confidence that parts are inside tolerance. But for Straumann, this is not enough. Our philosophy is never to pass a defect to our customer. We therefore inspect our implants by robot after machining. The robots you see here are controlling internal and external dimensions on all of our tissue level implants. Cleaning is a critical part of medical device production. Validation of the cleaning process is thorough. Straumann stress tested its cleaning process by subjecting it to worst case conditions in order to be sure that the cleaning process is capable of consistently meeting its specifications under all circumstances. The machine is software controlled with programs specific to each type of product and uses several stages of washing, agitation and rinsing. We purify around 20 Olympic swimming pools of water every year to feed these machines with high quality water necessary to meet international standards for medical devices. Once the implant geometry is measured and conforms to specification, the surface treatment process can begin. The first stage of surface treatment is sandblasting, which creates a macro structure on the surface of the implant. Even this process is rigorously validated and controlled. For example, size and shape of the grains of aluminium oxide used in the process are verified and validated. Then we come to the highly secretive process that creates SL-active implants, Straumann's chemically active hydrophilic surface that achieves faster secondary stability, resulting in shorter overall treatment time for patients. Sandblasting is followed by acid treatment, which produces a microstructure on the implant surface. This microstructure is receptive to osteoblast activity and is also free of harmful carbons that can slow down osseointegration. After acid treatment, implants are exposed only to an inert gas environment, allowing the activated implant surface to be fully preserved until it is assembled with its transfer piece and placed into an isotonic solution. In these final stages of production, the environment is strictly controlled. Our operators are specially trained to work in cleanroom environments. After rigorous validation, the cleanrooms are subject to a comprehensive program of particle and microbiological sampling to ensure that they continue to meet the specifications required for Straumann implants every day. Straumann Villeret, manufacturing with exceptional savoir-faire. To conclude, I would say that all implants are not the same. Production technologies may look similar, but I have seen other sites producing implants, and I can tell you with absolute surety that quality is in the details. Validation protocols, quality inspection plans, part tolerances, measurement systems, environmental monitoring programs. These are the places where quality is differentiated, and I open the doors of my plant to invite you to come and see for yourself how, in Straumann Villeret, innovation, precision and quality is in our DNA. Come and witness the difference. I hope to see you soon.